Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. At first, we took a black marker. Then we draw two parallel lines. Again, we draw two parallel lines and join them. This is the roof of the house. Here, we draw two straight lines to draw the wall. Next we join two straight lines. We draw a straight parallel line. We draw the door of the house. Here, we draw window using two small squares. Then, draw cross into it. We draw a line middle of the roof. This is a heart shape. We draw kitchen chimney on the top of the roof. This is mini heart shape. Flying bird is here. It's time to color it. We use purple color to draw the top of the roof. Middle part of the roof. Time to color the wall. Here, we use pink color to paint the wall. Pink color looks the wall so attractive. Pink color. Pink color. Here, we use green color to color the end of the house. color. We use yellow color to color windows. Blue color. Yellow color. Green color. Pink color. Our house is completed. Wow, it looks fantastic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.